from everything I did yesterday. And all for nothing because I didn't call him. Get the whole body though, baby. It's not the same effect.
I'm videoing tape again. But his eyes are open. He's like, oh, nothing's going on. No, I'm going right back to bed.
He is so comfortable.
Hey, Joe. Mita miras. Mitas. Oh, Mita boy.
That's his spot. That's why he has a spot.
Ay, Mita boy. He's not even wagging his tail, yo. He's like,
He's so comfy right now. He ain't moving. He's not comfy. Send that to Michelle, bitch.
Jonah. You're not gonna look at mommy, Jonah.
What to me?
He's not moving, yo.
He's not comfy, I'm telling you.
Jonah. He's like, I'm not ruining a perfect spot just to look at you.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Jonah. Mitas.
He must be very comfy.
He's just ignoring everybody. Yo, if that's not moving that dog, that's it.
Yeah, it's gone.